former real estate attorney out of Norwalk is now in custody, accused of stealing more than $1.7 million from clients. Carl Ferraro was already being sued over the allegations, but now faces multiple larceny charges. News 12 Connecticut's Marissa Alter was at his arraignment.
State's Attorney Paul Forensic said Carl Ferraro was supposed to turn himself in to Norwalk police here once he got out of rehab in May. That never happened. Instead, police served him with 8 warrants and arrested him without incident Wednesday.
The total amount of the theft, according to the warrant affidavits, is over $1,782,000.
Carl Ferraro went before a judge accused of defrauding his clients. Police say Ferraro, who worked out of an office in Norwalk, represented sellers in real estate deals, but after the closings, kept the money given to him that was intended for the sellers. Police began investigating in March after several complaints, including from Joe Jensen and his daughter Dana Jensen, who asked we not show her face.
When I heard he was arrested, I felt a joy deep down inside.
Dana Jensen was the listing agent on her childhood home, which her father put on the market. She told News 12 Ferraro came highly recommended to them and there were no red flags until after the closing, when he put off paying them. Court documents show after several days, Ferraro issued 2 checks. One went to Joe Jensen for more than $853,000, and the other to Dana Jensen for her commission of about $41,000.
Then he issued, without telling us, he issued a stop payment. To have it all stolen from us is gut-wrenching.
In court, State's Attorney Paul Forensic said there are 8 cases with similar stories, and each has multiple victims. Ferraro had his law license suspended in March, then voluntarily resigned from the bar.
He is, struggling with some serious mental and physical health situations, and he's been struggling with those issues for quite some time, which, is really what led us to this point.
Attorney Suzanne Sutton said her client has been to 2 rehab facilities and was in the hospital as recently as yesterday. She told News 12 Ferraro wants to apologize to the victims.
Carl is so very sorry and so very remorseful.
Bond was set at $1 million, which Attorney Sutton says Ferraro cannot pay at this point. Norwalk police say this investigation is still ongoing and ask anyone with further information to reach out. In Norwalk, Marissa Alter, News 12 Connecticut.